8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर के कुछ वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस की। First one is 8085 microprocessor has how many pins? It is 40 pins IC. Second one is processor status word of 8085 microprocessor has 5 flags, namely 5 फ्लैग के नाम पूछे गए हैं, साइन फ्लैग, जीरो फ्लैग, ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग, पैरिटी फ्लैग, कैरी फ्लैग। कॉल इंस्ट्रक्शन इज ए डैश बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन। कॉल इंस्ट्रक्शन कितने बाइट के इंस्ट्रक्शन है? 1 बाइट, 2 बाइट और 3 बाइट। इट इज 3 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन। XCHG instruction exchanges the content of HL pair with dash register pair। XCHG instructions के अंदर हम HL पेयर को किस पेयर के साथ डाटा एक्सचेंज करते हैं? DE पेयर। डैश इज द ओनली नॉन वेक्टर्ड इंटरप्ट इन 8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर। कौन सा इंटरप्ट नॉन वेक्टर इंटरप्ट है 8085 में? दैट इज INTR। The relationship among IC instruction cycle, FC fetch cycle and EC execute cycle is IC is equal to FC plus EC. If the microprocessor has 10 address line, then the number of memory locations it is able to address is that is 2 power 10. जितनी एड्रेस लाइन होती है 2 की पावर उतनी हो जाएगी, that is 1024 memory locations it can access. Next one is the port that is used for the generation of handshakes lines in mode 1 or mode 2 of 8255 is 8255 में mode 1 और mode 2 में कौन सा पोर्ट हैंडशेकिंग के काम आता है? That is port C, upper is used for handshaking. IR is the general purpose register of 8085, true or false? No, it is not a general purpose register. General purpose registers are B, C, D, E, H, L. Next one is the size of data bus in 8085 is equal to dash bit. Data bus कितने बिट की होती है? 8 बिट की. At which T states in machine cycles microprocessor generates address? This is T2 states. How many instruction formats are available in 8085? 8085 में कितने instruction formats हैं? There are 3 formats: 1 byte instruction, 2 byte instruction, 3 byte instruction. Name the addressing mode of DAA instruction. DAA instruction का कौन सा addressing mode है? That is implied addressing mode. इसके साथ कोई भी operand नहीं होता. Name the machine cycle executed in MOV A, B instruction. Opcode fetch cycle. इसमें हम opcode को fetch करते हैं. This is the name of machine cycle in MOV A, B. The size of input-output address in memory mapped input-output input scheme is dash bit. This is 8-bit. Input-output mapping इनपुट आउटपुट स्कीम के अंदर हम 8 बिट एड्रेस यूज करते हैं. मेमोरी मैप्ड इनपुट आउटपुट स्कीम के अंदर हम 16 बिट का एड्रेस यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज नेम द लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इंटरप्ट इन 8085. लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज INTR. लोएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज INTR. हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज TRAP, ट्रैप. Name the pin used for serial communication in 8085. Pins are SID and SOD. These 2 pins are used for serial communication, serial input data line and serial output data line. In 8085 microprocessor, how many interrupts are non-maskable? One interrupt is non-maskable. Which stack is used in 8085 microprocessor? This is LIFO, last in first out is the stack which is used in 8085 microprocessor. In the instruction of 8085 microprocessor, how many types are present? These are 3 types 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte. Handshaking mode of data transfer is, that is asynchronous data transfer mode is handshaking mode. In a microprocessor, the address of the next instruction to be executed is stored in, तो नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन हमारी एग्जीक्यूट होनी होती है वो कहाँ स्टोर होती है, दैट इज प्रोग्राम काउंटर के अंदर. नेम द 16-bit रजिस्टर ऑफ 8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर्स. 8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर्स के 16 बिट के रजिस्टर्स होते हैं प्रोग्राम काउंटर एंड स्टैक पॉइंटर. NOP stands for no operation, this is an instruction. DMA stands for, this is data transfer scheme and known as direct memory access. Word size of 8085 is dash bit, it is 8 bit. Instruction cycle is equal to fetch cycle plus dash, that is execute cycle. Name the data transfer technique in which handshaking is used. Again repeating, this is asynchronous data transfer scheme. Expand PPI. PPI is programmable peripheral interface. RST 7.5 is maskable interrupt. True or false? This is true. This is maskable. RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 all are maskable interrupts. Define stack. Stack, it is a set of memory location in read-write memory defined by the programmer. ये एक मेमोरी होती है जिसको हम प्रोग्रामर इसको डिफाइन करता है. Which bus is bidirectional? Data bus is bidirectional, and which bus is unidirectional? That is address bus. Clock frequency determines dash of the processor. Clock frequency किस चीज को डिफाइन करती है? This is speed of the processor. Why is carry flag used? It shows carries or borrow generated during arithmetic or logical operations. In 8085 microprocessor program counter uses dash bit. कितने बिट का प्रोग्राम काउंटर होता है? 16 बिट का. Which stack is used in 8085 microprocessor? माइक्रोप्रोसेसर में कौन सा स्टैक यूज होता है? LIFO, LIFO, last in first out. Handshaking mode of data transfer is asynchronous data transfer scheme. Define data bus. Data bus is of 8-bit lines which carries data to be transferred. Instruction cycle is equal to fetch cycle plus dash execute cycle. Name the data transfer technique in which handshaking is used. Asynchronous data transfer scheme. Expand PPI. PPI is programmable peripheral interface. RIM stands for read interrupt mask. RST 7.5 is maskable interrupt or not? It is true, it is maskable interrupt. Define program counter. Program counter is 16-bit memory location from which the next instruction is to be executed. Why is auxiliary carry flag is used? Auxiliary carry flag is used to show the carry generated by the nibbles. That is, it is used to show carry generated by bit D3, that is 4th bit, and passed on to bit D4, that is 5th bit. How many register pair are there in 8085 microprocessor? There are 3 register pairs, that is BC, DE, HL. Name the addressing techniques of 8085 microprocessor. Addressing technique, there are 5 types of addressing: direct addressing, indirect addressing, register addressing, immediate addressing, and implied addressing. How many vectored interrupts are there in 8085 microprocessor? There are 4 vectored interrupt and 1 non-vectored interrupt. The vector interrupts are TRAP, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5. How many group of instructions are there in 8085? There are 5 groups of instruction: data transfer group, arithmetic group, logical group, branch group, and machine control group. How many maskable interrupts are there in 8085 microprocessor? There are 4 maskable interrupts. That is RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, and INTR. One is non-maskable, that is TRAP. Which interrupt has highest priority in 8085? किस इंटरप्ट की हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी होती है? दैट इज ट्रैप. And which has the lowest priority? That is INTR. Name the memory mapping scheme of 8085 microprocessor. There are two types of memory mapping: memory mapped input output scheme and input output mapped input output scheme. The number of general purpose register in 8085 microprocessor is, there are 6 type of general purpose registers. There are B, C, D, E, H, L. A nibble is dash bit, 4 bit, and DMA stands for direct memory access. Word size of 8085 is dash bit, 8 bit. Define stack. Stack is a LIFO technique, last in first out, data structure implemented in the RAM area and used to store addresses and data during branch instruction execution. Then the return address used to get pushed on this stack.
Next is, what is the function of ALU? The function of ALU is arithmetical and logical operations. It performs arithmetical and logical operations. Next one is, discuss various flags of 8085. 8085 have 5 flags: zero flag, carry flag, parity flag, auxiliary carry flag, and sign flags. Define ALE. ALE stands for address latch enable. Address lines and data lines are multiplexed using ALE signal in order to get the address. If the value of ALE is 1, then data oblique address bus act as a address. Otherwise, when ALE is equal to 0, data oblique address bus act as a data bus. In 8085 microprocessor, flag register consists of dash flag. How many flags are there in 8085? There are 5 flags. 1 byte is equal to dash bit. एक बाइट कितने बिट के बराबर होती है? 8 बिट. Define nibble. Nibble is the group of 4 bit. For example, 1001 or 1101. Clock speed oblique frequency of 8-bit microprocessor is, 8-bit microprocessor की frequency कितनी होती है? 3 megahertz. What is the function of bus? Bus is the group of conducting lines used to transfer data, address, or control signal from one place to another. What are the different types of buses in 8085? There are 3 types of buses: data bus, address bus, and control bus. Define data bus. Bus is the group of conducting line, and data bus is the used to transfer data from one place to another place. What is the function of address bus? Bus is the group of conducting line, and address bus is used to transfer address from one place to another place. What is the length of data bus? Length of data bus is 8 bit. What is the length of address bus? Address bus is of 16 bit. Data bus is unidirectional or bidirectional? This is bidirectional, then this is false. 8085 microprocessor address bus is of dash bit. How many bits are there in address bus? 16 bit. Which bus is unidirectional? Address bus is unidirectional. Define control bus. It is used to generate timing and control signals to control all the peripherals connected with the microprocessor. Microprocessor uses control bus to process data, that is what to do with the selected memory location. Define temporary register. It is used for internal operations. It is used to hold data or immediate results during an operation. In the Intel 8085 is dash bit microprocessor. It is of 8-bit microprocessor. Define SOD. SOD are used for serial communication. Its expansion is serial output data line. It is serial output data line is set or reset specified by SIM instruction. expand EPROM. EPROM is erasable, programmable, read-only memory and used for uh, can be erased and reused. What is the function of SID in 8085? SID is serial input data line. It is used for serial communication. Data on this line is loaded from accumulator whenever a RIM instruction is executed. Name the data transfer schemes. There are two types of data transfer schemes: programmable data transfer scheme and DMA data transfer scheme. RST is maskable interrupt. Yes, it is true. It is maskable interrupt. Next is explain program counter and stack pointer. The stack pointer is 16-bit register and it will hold the address of the top location of the stack. And the program counter is also a 16-bit register and it will hold the address of the memory location from where next instruction is to be executed. Name the format of instruction DAD space D. It is 1 byte instruction and use register addressing mode. In this instruction, content of D register pair is added into the register pair of HL and the sum is stored in HL pair. What is S/W interrupt? This is software interrupt. RST instruction are called software interrupt or restart interrupt. What is the difference between machine and assembly language? A program written in the form of 0 and 1 are called machine language, while a program written using mnemonics code is called assembly language. What is as triggered interrupt? An as triggered interrupt module generates an interrupt only when it detects an asserting as of the interrupt source. Define opcode. Opcode is 8-bit pattern which is recognized as a operation code of an instruction is called opcode, or it can be defined as the part of instruction which specify the task to be performed is called opcode. Define T-state. T-state may be defined as the time taken by the clock to complete one period. Define execute cycle. The task performed after fetching and decoding of instruction is known as execute cycle. Define instruction cycle. The time taken for the execution of an instruction is known as instruction cycle. Define machine cycle. Each read or write operation of 8085 is referred as a machine cycle. Define assembly language. A program written using mnemonic code is called assembly language, like the program in 8085 microprocessor. Define level triggered interrupt. A level triggered interrupt module always generates an interrupt whenever the level of the interrupt source is asserted. Define subroutine. It is a small program stored in a memory which are used frequently for repeated tasks in the main program are called subroutine. What is mnemonic code? English like word used to represent opcode are called mnemonic code, like ADD, INR, MOV, etc. Define interfacing. The process of communication of microprocessor to peripheral device is called interfacing. Some questions from 8085 microprocessors are: bus interface unit BIU in 8086 microprocessor performs the following functions: instruction decoding, instruction fetching, arithmetic logical operations, all the above. It will instruction fetching. Interface is instruction fetching. Next is 8086 is 16-bit microprocessor. Yes, 8086 is 16-bit while 8085 is 8-bit microprocessor. Name two functional unit of 8086. 8086 has two functional units, BIU and EU, bus interface unit and execution unit.